There was an aroma in the air that smelled so good and had my mouth watering. I turned and looked, and there was food being created across the street. On the street, literally. I made a beeline, walked across the street, and yes, there was a language barrier, but the woman's daughter helped, and I had a delicious lunch. Well worth it. Well worth the being uncomfortable and not being able to speak any Spanish with this woman. It was delicious. It was yummy, and I will go back. Okay, I didn't bring my regular collagen peptides down because I have the big one and I didn't want to travel with it. So I bought this one. It's not as good. The other one is really good. And for some of us older gals, we need that extra collagen because our body doesn't make it anymore. And I've said that time and time again. But I notice when I don't take it, because my joints get swollen, I have arthritis, they get swollen and they hurt. And my son's girlfriend said to me 2 weeks ago, "Oh my God, your hair looks so thick." Collagen peptides. So I just make smoothies. Smoothie time. Spinach. Oh, frozen berries. Coconut milk, unsweetened. Oh shit. Going to get my afternoon pick-me-up with an iced latte. So I found another friendly Mexican woman that enjoys chatting. She was trying to practice her English, and of course I was trying to practice my Spanish. Her name was Genevieve, and she was really sweet. She's my son's age. It was nice talking with her. I had a wonderful afternoon. I have this wonderful space on the rooftop that I really haven't utilized yet because there's no shade. The shade umbrella is broken, and the landlord said that he would bring over a new one. And, well, he hasn't done it yet. But yesterday was overcast, so it's a perfect day to be up there, hose everything off, because there seems to be a light layering of dust everywhere I go. Hose off all the lawn chairs, the table, everything, and water all the plants. Just adding the water to the air made everything smell beautiful. Like the soil that the plants are planted in smelled really good. And I'm glad that I did that. It was kind of meditative.
Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna is no one other than me that can make you feel